10 best laptops you can buy in 2024. Our top picks for May. When it comes to picking a laptop this month, the options can seem endless. Each laptop has its own special features, like super fast processors or really cool designs meant to fit different needs. Whether you're a student starting a new school year, a professional needing a reliable work tool, or just someone who wants a laptop for everyday stuff, the choices can be both exciting and overwhelming. To make things easier for you and help you make a smart decision, Gadinsiders put together a list of the top 10 laptops that are great in how they work, how they look, and what you get for your money, from the famous brands to new ones. Each laptop on this list offers something special, so there's something for everyone. Apple MacBook Pro for $1,599. Dell XPS 15 for $1,499. HP Spectre X360 for $1,749. Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon for $2,200. Microsoft Surface Laptop 5 for $999.99. Asus ZenBook Pro Duo for $1,699.99. Acer Swift 5 for $1,499. Razer Blade 17 for $1,899.99. MSI GS66 Stealth for $1,699. LG Gram 17 for $624.97. No matter the task at hand, these top 10 laptops for May 2024 offer a diverse range of features and capabilities, from powerful processors to sleek designs. Each laptop has its own unique strengths to cater to your specific needs. Trust Gadinsider to keep you informed and guide you towards making the perfect choice. Happy browsing!